Hello everyone, I am Anuradha Shivajirao Varal, Assistant Professor of Computer Department at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. I will introduce about the roles of different types of IS in business organization. The subject is Information System and Engineering Economics. The information system. What is meant by information systems? Information system is the study of complementary networks of hardware and software that people and organizations use to collect, filter, process, create and distribute the data. Other definition of information system is it is the combination of hardware, software, and telecommunications networks that people build and use to collect, create, and distribute useful data, typically in organizational settings. So, our main point is the role of different types of IS in business organization. So, the information system typically divided into the two types. First one is operational support system, second one is management support system. So the operational support system divided into the three parts: transactional processing system, process control systems, enterprise collaboration system. And management support system divided into the three parts: management information systems, decision support systems, executive information systems. And these two types of the information system has specialized processing system. So the specialized processing system of these two types of the information systems are expert systems, knowledge management systems, strategic information system, and functional business system. Let's see one by one. First one is operation support system. In that three types: transactional processing systems, process control systems, enterprise collaboration system. So first one is what? Transactional processing system. So transaction processing system are the basic business systems that serve the operational level of organization, and the transactional processing system is a computerized system that performs and records the daily routine transactions necessary to the conduct of business. That at the lowest level of organizational hierarchy, we find the transactional processing system that support the day-to-day activities of the business. The next one is what? Process control system. So the process control systems is monitor and control the industrial or physical process. For example, petroleum refining, power generation, steel production system. These all are the organization, and a petroleum refinery uses electronic sensors linked to computers to monitor chemical processes continually and make instant adjustment that control the refinery process. And last type of is enterprise collaboration system, which is also called as office automation system. So the office automation systems are one of the most widely used type of information systems that will help managers control the flow of information in organization. Enterprise collaboration systems are enhanced team and work group communication and productivity. Also, the office automation systems are other type of information systems are not specific to any one level in the organization but provide important support for a broad range of users. For example, voicemail, multimedia system, electronic mail, video conferencing, file transfer, and even a group discussion can be achieved by office automation system, also called as enterprise collaboration system. So the next type of the information system is what? Management support system. So the management support system divided into the three types. First one is management information systems, decision support systems, executive information system. So first one, management information systems. Management information systems are a kind of a computer information systems that could collect and process information from different sources, making in the level of management. And management information system provide information in the form of pre-specified reports and display to support business decision making. Means the next level in the operational hierarchy is occupied by low level manager and supervisor. So the management information system use the data collected by the TPS to provide supervisors with the necessary control reports. Second one is decision support systems. A decision support system is a computer based system intended for use by a particular manager or usually a group of manager at any organizational level in making a decision in the process of solving a semi-structured decision. According to the SHIM, a decision support system is a computer-based information system that assists managers in making many complex decisions, such as decision needed to solve poorly defined or semi-structured problem. Next one is executive information system. So the executive information systems have been developed which provide rapid access to both internal and external information, often presented in graphical format but with the ability to present more detailed underlying data if it is required. That is, executive information system provide critical information from a wide variety of internal and external sources in easy to use displays to executives and manager. According to Patterson, an EIS provides senior managers with a system to assist in taking strategic and tactical decisions. Then the specialized processing system. So two system has the specialized processing system. The specialized processing system divided into the four-part expert system, knowledge management system, strategic information system and functional business system. So first one is what? Expert system. Expert systems are the category of AI, that is artificial intelligence, which has been used most successful in building commercial application. Next one is knowledge management system. The knowledge management systems are knowledge-based information systems that support the creation, organization and dissemination of business knowledge to employees and manager throughout a company. Next one is strategic information system. Strategic information systems apply information technology to firms' products, services or business process to help it gain a strategic advantage over its competitors. And last one is the functional business system. That is information system from functional perspective. Functional business system are information systems that focus on operational and managerial applications in support of basic business functions. For example, information systems that support applications in accounting, finance, marketing, operations management and human resource management. So these are the roles of the information system in business organization. Thank you.